Hello, fellow video creators. Happy to see you all here. Today, I'm familiarizing you with 3 AI tools now on Wave.video's platform. These AI tools revolutionize the video editing process. Say goodbye to spending hours optimizing your video and say hello to your new AI tools. These tools include our AI automatic transcript generator, our AI video optimizer, and a brand new third tool that allows you to have multiple clips or shorts created from one long form video. Let's review each of these one by one.
Our first AI tool is our automatic transcript generator,
Which helps with localization, as the transcript can be produced in many different languages. With this tool, you can now use text-based editing, which is editing your video by trimming your transcript. This is found by typing in the website name into Google, which brings me to the home page, clicking My Project, uploading a video, and then coming to our editing homepage, where you can go straight to our Edit with Text feature on the right. Click the Generate Transcript button and begin trimming, highlighting, removing filler words, or automatically adding captions to the video. Click the link in our description for more detailed tutorial on how I just did that. The second of our AI tools is our shorten video feature. When you press that button, our AI model analyzes the video and extracts the most essential parts of it. This shortens your video into the most concise, efficient version it could be, allowing for automatic AI video editing. It is a useful feature not only for video editing, but also for feedback on what a data analyzer deems unnecessary or useless in your video. This can help give you more information and help shape your video editing process. To do this, make sure you come back to your editing homepage, click on the Shorten Video feature, and then select the Shorten Your Video option. This will bring you to a screen where you can watch the preview of the AI video edited version. As you can see, this is only about 7.5 minutes long, whereas my video was over 8 minutes long, which means that the AI model has cut out about 30 seconds of unnecessary content. After you've watched this version, click Regenerate or Use. By clicking Regenerate, the AI model will create a different version of your shortened video, one that may be more to your liking. Feel free to continue clicking that button until you are happy with the AI video edited version. Once you are, select Use and decide where the AI video edited version fits in with your original video by choosing between the Add and Replace buttons, which ask you whether you would like the AI video edited version to be added or to replace your original video. The third of our AI tools is our Suggest Shorts feature. This AI video editor allows the content creator, you, to get a series of suggested shorts. Here, the AI model analyzes your long video and creates multiple 30-second to 1-minute short clips of the video, and also adds titles to each one of these clips. Again, if you click the Regenerate button, the AI model will analyze your data and create an entirely new set of shorts with a variety of lengths and topics. Once you have clicked the Regeneration button enough times to get clips that are to your liking, click the Use button, and again, decide where it fits in with your original video. Even if you do not want shorts out of your long video, it is a very useful AI tool as it gives you, the creator, data on how the video is structured and what mini topics are embedded throughout the original video. This is priceless information, as the most important thing in a successful video is efficiency and relevancy in every single second of your video. Overall, this easily accessible feature allows for platform optimization
and of course, increased video traffic.
All thanks to our automatic AI video editor. Now, we have reached the end of our tutorial, but I urge you to go to Wave and try this revolutionary technology for yourself. Visit the link in the description below, and while you're down there, feel free to press the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Have a good day!